I would suggest one more thing. If you are getting time, just try to listen some kids stories. So they make the sentence in a very simple manner, or like a basic sentence. So you can see how they are using the tenses and how they are using the helping verb like this. First of all, good morning.
Very good morning.
How are you doing?
I am fine.
Okay. So this is our first call. So I would like to know a little bit about yourself.
Yes. Uh, I introduce myself. My name is Preeti. I am from UP and I am also postgraduate in zoology.
Zoology. Okay. So currently you are a homemaker or doing any work also?
Currently, I am a home baker.
Mm-hmm.
Currently, and I am very interested for learning English because English is very necessary for me in any era. If I am also facing different type of problem without knowing English, so I decided I learn English.
Okay, okay. Yes, I think everybody should know this language because now it's very important. Because whenever you go outside and you see that other people are just speaking in English language, then you feel very embarrassed. Oh my God, I don't know, understand. Yeah, or I don't understand English language, or why I'm not able to speak. So yeah, it happens a lot. Okay, so when did you started learning?
I think in 12th February I starting learning English.
Okay. So, are you facing any difficulties, or especially in particular area, like in vocabulary part or grammar part?
Uh, this time I am facing all type of problem, but most of the problem I am facing in grammatical portion. Okay, in
Mhm.
all grammatical portion, all tenses I am not know very well, and I learn something, but within a few week I forget all things. So this time I am suffering for very problem in um, tenses.
Mhm. Yes, yes, it happens in some of the starting ones, but when you are habitual of speaking, then automatically your mistakes will remove. I was not able to speak English before some time, but when I started like speaking regularly, then automatically my mistakes has removed. So yeah, definitely it will.
You are also connecting different people. This is the first very good uh, work for your English. And secondly, you are also learn something like grammatical portion, tenses. You are strong your grammatical portion, then you are speak English very well.
Hmm.
Yes, and in this time you are also connect to 4 to 5 people in a day. So this way, all when any person communicate each other, so definitely English speaking skill in enhance.
Hmm. Yes, you are
I
absolutely right.
also observe some changes in my speaking.
Hmm. Yes, yes, definitely.
This time your English is good, and how many time you are starting your learning, and what is your qualification? Please introduce a little bit introduction.
Yes, yes, sure. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my qualification, so I have done engineering in computer science branch, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube also. Yeah, that's all about me.
And you are an engineering student, so your
Hmm.
English is very good. Okay. Your writing skill is good. I think your writing skill is good. Your all examination also in examination you also write down your paper question is on English. And your all lecture is also delivered. Your lecturer is English. So you are also listening more and more time, and engineering is, I think, a 4 year course in
Yes,
English.
yes, right.
Yes.
Yeah.
In 4 year, you are daily listening, reading, and writing English. So you have enough vocabulary, but these platform you are polish your English.
Mhm. You know what happened? Like I have done my schooling in Hindi medium, and after that, when I came in engineering, so it was quite difficult for me because we had only one subject when we were in school time,
Yes,
and
yes,
suddenly I came into this situation like I had to write every exam in English language. But you know, sometimes writing is quite easy as compared to speaking. And in college also, no one speaks. Like in, especially in my college, if I'll talk about, so no one were speaking in English language.
yes.
Like we had this kind of Hindi environment only. A lecturer were giving the lecture in, they were
Eh,
explaining the things in Hindi language. They were using the words English, but they were explaining everything in mother tongue only. Yes, so that time I was not confident enough to speak, but yeah,
This is
when
this is the major problem or all student. Okay, in CBSE board, I think in my area, I am also belong in UP in Banaras. In my area, only two and three schools or colleges in CBSE board speaking English for student. Okay, but in 80 and 85% CBSE board school are not speaking English for any student for communicate each other. So these reason that these reason this time student kids are also read in CBSE board school, but not able to communicate each other for English.
yes, you are absolutely right. You know,
Some,
in my college also, there were so many students from CBSE school also, but still they were not able to speak that time.
yes, because there is not English environment, no
Hmm.
English environment. And in I am also sure this type of problem because my daughter is speaking good English. She is also reading studying Sunbeam school, so she is also able to speak in English. But my sons are this time my sons are 6 year old, so my son is not able to speak English because his school is not environment is English. So these type of problem facing different type of student. So
Hmm.
in my time and in your time, always speak, always read in Hindi medium. Okay, always
Yes.
all courses. In fact, math is also write down in Hindi. Okay, in
Yeah,
my
right.
only
Hmm.
one subject English is write down in English, and then in examination time also write down some question in English.
Yes, yes.
So this reason I am not able to speak in English, but in this time all schools are CBSE board. Okay, all books, copies, all subjects also write down in English. But
Hmm.
environment is not speaking English. So these reason very small kids and all type of students facing this problem.
Hmm.
It is
Speaking part
very
is not
bad,
mandatory there. That's why.
very bad thing. This is very bad thing. All CBSE board school are also speak English for a student. Also teacher are speak English for a student. Okay. So
Hmm.
when I am go to my kids school, that time I am feeling I am feeling very bad. Because
Hmm.
teacher is not speaking English in my son in school, not
Okay.
speaking. And
Hmm.
when I am go to my daughter school, uh, the all teachers are speaking English. That this is my major problem. That time I am not give any answer for English. So I decided in
Hmm.
parents teacher meeting I am not communicate English. So in parents meeting I am facing a lot of problem. That I decided my mind I start learning English. And in my son's school, not a single word speak in English for
Hmm.
any teacher, except principal. Principal has
Hmm.
also speak in English.
Hmm.
So this is my problem.
Yes, yes. And I think, you know, we didn't get the environment. That's why we are learning like this. But if in school they were taught like yes you have to speak in English language, then definitely student will try to speak in English language and they will get the environment also. So yeah, it all matters. If you are listening a lot and talking with other people, so definitely you can improve your English. We should give the environment to kids also. So are you talking with your kids in English?
Yes, yes, yes. Sometime I'm talking English with my kids, and sometime I am not talking. And but my daughter is also speak English very well. Sometimes my sons are speaking some sentences like "Mama, where are you? Please
Mm-hmm.
give me this. Please give me that." And this type of question also asked me. And uh, um, my elder son is 6 year old and my younger one is 4 year old. Both son are understand all English sentences very well,
Mm-hmm.
understand very well, and sometime try to speak some line and sometime not able to speak some line
Mm-hmm.
because I speak some things when sentence I some sentence I speak, then give me answer in English in my advance, and this this type of service going on.
Okay, okay. Yeah, definitely. If you will talk with them in English language, then I think it would be great for them also. And yeah, firstly, you can understand and you can learn this language, so it would be great for you to teach them also.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
yeah, I have observed that, yeah, you are doing like lot of mistakes in your tenses part.
yes,
So, yeah, I would suggest you to first see all the rules and try to make the sentence like one by one. If you are taking any present tense, so try to make the sentence in present only. So it will boost your sentence making, and
yes.
you can yeah improve.
I am also absorb this type of problem. I am also feel that my grammatical portion is not well, and where is put for some sentences, where is putting for some tenses. So I am not able to putting uh, for all sentences for grammatical rule. I am also feel and also observe, but um, I am not. Sometime I learn something
Hmm.
grammatical that I am not try to more and more time for this grammatical rule that I forget. This is my problem. I have enough. I have enough vocabulary.
Hmm.
I some sentences, but in putting of grammatical portion, I do not put any grammar rules for my sentence. This is my problem.
Mm-hmm. But you know, sometimes if you are doing minor mistake, then it is okay. But if you are doing a lot of mistakes, then people will definitely judge you. Like, yes, you have done this mistakes, you have done this mistake. So, yeah, I think firstly you have to learn these tenses first. Then definitely you can remember all this and try to make the sentence by your own. Not only when you are talking with other people. If you are learning today present indefinite, just try to make the sentence by your own and try to speak by yourself. And once you will do this kind of practice now, then definitely you can improve. I have done the same thing. And I would suggest one more thing. If you are getting time, just try to listen some kids' stories. So they make the sentence in a very simple manner or like a basic sentence. So you can see how they are using the tenses and how they are using the helping verb like this. So you can definitely improve like this. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I'm also implement your suggestion and learn some grammatical portion and try more and more time.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
I mistake a lot of grammatical portion.
Yes, yes. Sometimes I have observed that you have done lot of mistakes. If you will listen this video now, then definitely you can see that how many mistakes you have done. Even I am doing the mistakes a lot of time, but yeah, I have reduced a lot. Now I have reduced a lot. So minor mistake if you are doing, then it is okay. But if you are doing a lot of mistake, then definitely you need to improve this thing, right?
In your suggestion, I also complete my all type of tenses. Okay?
Hmm.
I
Yes.
completed my all type of sentences. Then I try to speak more and more time.
Yes, correct. Because most of the time you are using like past sentences. So you have to use the second form of the main verb. So this type of sentence we have
Yes,
to be
yes.
careful. And sometimes if you are saying any sentence in future tense, so where you have to use will, shall, like this. So once you will make the sentence more and more, then it would be in your habit. Like yes, you have to use this or this. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. You guide me. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so if you have any queries or if you are facing any difficulties, so you can ask me anytime. Okay, I will
Okay.
help you out. Okay, and okay, and we will do another conversation on a particular topic if you are agree. Okay.
Yes, yes. You give me, you send me message of what topic I prepare. Then I prepare online and speak.
Yeah, sure. And I think I can wind up this call. And yeah,
Okay.
definitely we will meet again. Thank you.
Thank you so much for connecting me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.